I have an Aqua Pure chlorine generator model number PLC1400 S B09GH0957 I. Have error code 175 appearing on my display. My remote is programmed 100% for the chlorine production. My test kit indicates that I have 0 free chlorine and 0 combined chlorine. My generator is free of any and all calcium deposits and is plugged in. The chlorine display has an illuminated light that indicates power is on, and I have another LED light lit that indicates reversing. Suction is excellent as my automatic pool vacuum is moving about the pool and my filter is clean.
Hi, I'm a moderator for this topic. I've been working hard to find a professional to assist you right away, but sometimes finding the right professional can take a little longer than expected. I wonder whether you're okay with continuing to wait for an answer. If you are, please let me know and I will continue my search. If not, feel free to let me know and I will cancel this question for you. Thank you. Best, Gina Moderator.
Hello, I'm here to help you today. What is your salt level? Have you cleaned your tri-sensor? A 175 can indicate a low salinity. This could be from a few items to check. Let me know what your salt level is. Also, what is your cyanuric acid level in the pool?
My salt reading with a test strip is about 4,300 parts per million. I cleaned the sensor last weekend and it was clean. However, my pool Jandy remote indicated only 2,400 parts per million. Would the salt sensor prevent the chlorinator from functioning? Cyacid is at 50 parts per million.
How old is the cell? Also, have you calibrated the salt reading this year? 24 hours after adding salt, 4,300 seems high, although if you have high or low salt it should throw a different error code. Yes, if the tri-sensor has a problem, either flow or salinity or temperature, it could prevent production of chlorine, too much salt, low salt, temperature of water over 98 degrees, if it thinks that is the situation. The tri-sensor is usually replaced with the cell. So I need to know how old is the cell and approximate gallons of pool. When a salt cell ages, it will read a lower salt reading as well. I would like this information before starting to troubleshoot the circuit board.
The cell will be 4 years old in September. How long should the cell last? What are the pros and cons of replacing only the tri-sensor? Where should I source these items for the best price, etc.?
You need to do a test on the cell for the voltage and amps. Do you know how to go into the menu and do this? How many gallons in your pool and how many months a year do you run the unit? The 1400 is for pools up to 40K, so if you have a pool that is 30K and you run it all year round or 75% of year, it is more than likely at its lifespan. Does your unit have 3 ports on it or 2? Here is a 3-port replacement cell with power cord only. http:/www.poolsupplyworld.com/jandy/R04524000 Aqua Pure PLC 1400 3-port replacement salt system cells /R04524000.htm. If you have a 2-port, let me know. I cannot tell from the serial number without calling Jandy, and that is a long wait in line this time of year.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.